Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. This is going to be part 18 of the 71 Comet GT. This is the part where I say I'm done with it for now. It's going to be going back to my brother, and he is bringing his Project Betty 76 Monarch back over to replace this. I'm not going to work on the Monarch right away. I've got some other projects I need to do first, maybe even 2 projects. But this is going to be the end of this one. I was not able to find out what was making the noise. The noise is still there, but the car runs really strong. My brother has reported the noise problem to Blueprint, and it's up to them and him to do something or anything about it. But I'm just waiting now for Betty to arrive and the 71 Comet, which is now called Teddy, for Teddy to leave and Betty to arrive. Comet's going home, and Betty is back in town again. But I'll be working on Betty later. Another beautiful day. Lots of colors in the area. But I'm going to be starting other projects. It's going to be the end of part 18 of the 71 Comet GT. Thank you for watching Dan's Messy Garage. Stay tuned to my channel for future videos and projects. Bye.